Okay, in this video, we're going to factor the following expression, and we're going to use method 1, simple grouping pre-AC. In the description box of this video, I have a playlist that I covered several different methods, including method 1, and I go over it in detail, and so I cover like stipulations. And so this video is mainly meant to be treated as practice. And so let's begin. So we need to find A times C. Now our A term is the coefficient for x squared, so 4. And our C term is our constant, so negative 15. And 4 times negative 15 will give us negative 60. Then we need to get our B term. Our B term is the coefficient in front of x, so negative 7. At this point, we think to ourselves, what two numbers multiply to give us negative 60, but add to give us negative 7? And that's going to be negative 12 and 5. And so now we're going to rewrite. So we have 4x squared. Instead of saying negative 7x, I'm going to say plus parentheses negative 12x plus 5x, close it, minus 15. And now I'm going to apply simple grouping. I'm going to group the first two pieces and the last two pieces. So I have 4x squared minus 12x, close it, plus parentheses 5x minus 15. So now I'm going to factor these two pieces and these two pieces. And so we see what's in common. 4x squared negative 12x. Well, we could take out an x. Now we think, what's the biggest number I could divide both of them by and get a whole number? That's going to be 4. So I have parentheses, 4x times something is 4x squared, that's going to be x. 4x times something is negative 12x, that's going to be negative 3. Now we do these two pieces. This doesn't have an x, so we can't take out an x. But we can divide both by 5, and that's the biggest thing in common. So 5 times what is 5x? It's going to be x. 5 times what is negative 15? So negative 3. And we see something identical, x minus 3, x minus 3. Whatever is identical, we go ahead and copy. So x minus 3. Then I call this the leftovers, 4x and positive 5. And that'll be another parentheses, so 4x plus 5. And this right here is our final answer. But if you want to check, we can. X times 4x is 4x squared. X times 5 is 5x. Negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. And negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. So 4x squared, it matches. Negative 15, it matches. And 5x minus 12x is negative 7x. And so it matches. And that's all we need to do for this problem.